Hi, I'm Josh Anderson, Director of Assistive Technology and the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads. And we're here at the ATIA Convention. Please enjoy this tech tip from the vendor hall.
Hello, welcome to LVI America. My name is Christofer Casswall and I will show you some video magnifiers from us. So here we are looking at the MagniLink TAB, and we have a news in the software now where when we are adding AI functionality. So same as before, you can do OCR text to speech, you can do video recording, save images, but now also AI on this iPad product. So what I do is I have a text underneath the camera. I press AI. It starts to read a text, but now the thing with AI is I can communicate about this text. So let's say we'd like it to summarize this text for us so that we can quicker understand what this text is about.
The MagniLink One is a foldable video magnifier with high image quality and user-friendly operation.
And it gave us a shorter version of the text summarized. Now we can ask, is Full HD mentioned?
Yes, the text mentions that the MagniLink One features a high-quality Full HD camera.
So you can summarize, translate, ask anything about the text to improve the reading capability for many users.
That's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.